Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here and I have a quick and easy little tutorial for you today on how you can make really pretty clips for your journals or planner with leftover ribbon scraps and little bits of ephemera. Now, I made these three a couple of weeks ago as part of the November Dollar Store Christmas Junk Journal Challenge. We had to make paper clips using whatever you like, but you could only use 3 items that you had or include items that were part of your 15 for this project. And I only ended up using 2. I used ribbon and these gorgeous little sticker things that have bling already on them. And so I made these 3, and then of course I kept playing with the glue and made a few more. I used a little tiny pink clip for this one and just glued down a cute little white bow. I mean, I won't use that in Christmas time, but I can use that later on. Here's another little tiny cute one, and I just cut a little hole with my X-Acto knife and put a little brad through the back. So it's got a good, this is really cute. You won't be able to see it on film, but it has a little handbag that's glittery. So that's a really cute one. Then I also tried one using this lovely sheer ribbon. And what I did, I only glued the top instead of the whole way down. And again, popped a brad through, little Christmas tree brad for that one. Oh, and please excuse my thumb. It's been bandaged up because I cut it at work the other day and now it looks all white and crinkly. And then this one here was these are a little sheet of stickers that sort of have like a little dome on them. I took the foam off the back and just stuck that one down. Look, you can use anything. You can of course do these with paper, but you can use ribbon is a great way, especially when you have little leftover bits you're not sure what to do with it. You can also use fabric, it works just as well. But I'll show you how quick and easy they are to do. I've got a piece of red ribbon here. There was just a tiny bit left that I had, and I quite like doing the little banner shape. So you just fold your ribbon in half and then cut out the banner, just like that. Voila. And don't worry if it's not even. Once you've glued it all together, you can just use a lighter or match to just gently melt that into the perfect shape that you like. So then you simply take a paper clip and look, honestly, make them in different sizes. They don't all have to be big ones. You can make a giant one too if you want. Now, what you need is to have facing towards you the long, smooth edge. And then you just gently pry up the clip and you pop your ribbon through. Then line it up. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it just makes it easier once you plop some glue down. There we go. And then let it spring open. Now, you can use any glue you like, basically, as long as it dries clear. This is Tiger Grip. I get this from my local cheap shop. I bought it one day when the glue I used to use, I just couldn't find it anywhere, so I grabbed this and it's turned out to be my absolute favorite. It dries completely clear and it dries very quickly. So just smother one side with some glue, and then I tend to just use my finger to make sure all the area is covered. And then I just wipe the rest on the back of my hand because I do love picking it off when it's dry. And then you just fold this over, trying to line it up, but again, don't panic if it drops down and it's not perfect, because I said you can just use a lighter or a match to tidy that up. Then hold it together just for a few minutes, mainly so that this area here adheres well also to the actual clip, because otherwise they slide too much and that can get a bit annoying. If it does happen, it's not life or death either, but I just find if I just hang on to it for a minute, it works really nicely. There we go. It doesn't have to be for hours. There we are. And again, look, this one's it's not 100% perfect. It's just slightly overhanging there, but really, it doesn't matter. We're just having a bit of fun and using up supplies. And then I have these cardboard stickers. Which one shall I use? I think I like this one. I'll pop those down there, and then I just peel off this bit because it's too bulky. So you just gently peel it off, very gently. These are quite fragile actually, but we'll get there. At least try and get rid of the majority of it. Doesn't matter if there's some tacky stuff left because you're going to be sticking it down anyway. There we go. Oh, it's coming off. These ones worked a lot easier, but that's okay. There we go. We've just about got it. Get rid of that rubbish over there. Oh, it's all stuck to my nail. There we are. Tiny bit of residue won't hurt. And then just pop a little bit of glue down. And I'm not going quite to the edge because I do think this will overhang the width of the ribbon. Oops, there's some sticky stuff. Get rid of that. Voila. And you just pop it down. There we go. Now that was easy, wasn't it? Just think of all the pretty clips you can make with all those little bits of leftovers. Now, just put it aside to dry for a few minutes. This honestly won't, in 10 minutes, it'll be rock solid and ready to go. And there we are. That's how easy it is. So you could make some for your December daily with a bit of a Christmas theme, or just sit down one day on a quiet afternoon, have some fun gluing, and you could make up a lovely little stash, little collection ready to use throughout the year. Hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. If you did, please hit subscribe and hit the like button if you did enjoy it. And I look forward to bringing you more crafty goodness shortly. Take care. Bye.